How to play Twitter X videos on background on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can play Twitter X videos in background on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your X. Now make sure that your Twitter is up to date to the latest version. After doing that, you can open up any video. After you open up any video, you can just go back and automatically it will start playing on the background. So let me just pause that. So yeah, after you just open it up and after you just swipe up, it will just start getting on the background, it will start playing. Now that's called picture in picture. You can enable this option by heading over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you can then head over to your general. On your general, if you scroll down, you will see an option called picture in picture. Tap on picture in picture and just turn it on. Make sure that you turn on play. And doing that, it will start your Twitter on videos on background. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.